Looking for reliable metal heat treatment machine? Our induction heating machine is your ideal choice. Adopt advanced IGBT intermediate frequency power supply, fast heating, high efficiency, intelligent control, support quenching, tempering, and annealing for steel pipes, steel bars, and steel balls. Fully automatic POC control, easy operation, stable long time running, low oxidation. Small deformation to guarantee workpiece quality. Customized production lines for different processing demands. We supply complete sets of machines to Philippines, Turkey, Southeast Asia. Professional after-sales team offers overseas installation and technical support.